Welcome back, children. In the last session we did the place value chart of Indian system and also the place value chart of international number system, and also we understood where to put the commas in Indian number system and also where to put the commas in international number system, and also I sent one video along with that, isn't it? I think you've gone through that video also. And then in the Indian system, where you have to put the comma, 3 numbers, then 2, 2, 2, so it goes on. In international number system, every 3 numbers you have to put comma, isn't it? So that much we understood. Today let us know about the large numbers in practice. Okay. So what is the large numbers? Let us know. First, how do you measure the given length of any object? If it is very small, you use centimeter, isn't it? Millimeter, like that. Suppose if the length is bigger, so you measure in terms of meter. Still it is lengthy, then you measure in terms of kilometer. Last year also in the 5th standard you studied the measurement of length. I think you recall that. So first, I'll take this pencil. How do you measure the length of this pencil, children? Is it in millimeters or centimeters? Yes, millimeters means very small. Okay, that one I'll tell you. See, this chalk piece is very small. Okay, very small. So how do you measure this very small length? In case that is in millimeters, you measure it. Suppose if the length is little bit bigger, then we use the terms centimeter. Or if you want to measure this length of this textbook, so we use to measure the length of the book in centimeter. Okay. Then as I told you, the chalk piece length is measured in terms of millimeter, because very small length, that is measured in terms of millimeter. So what is the difference between centimeter and millimeter? That is 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. 10 millimeter. Okay, that is the difference between centimeter and millimeter. Okay, then if you want to measure the length of this classroom, okay, the 4 walls are here. So you want to measure the length of this classroom, or if you want to measure the length of your room, how do you measure it? In terms of meters. Yes, it is measured in terms of meters, because it is little bit lengthy. That is meters. Then what is the difference between the meter and centimeter? That is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. If you want to convert this into millimeter, then 100 into 10. That is 1000. 1000 millimeter. Okay, if you want to mention it in centimeter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, or 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. That is also there. Okay, if you want to mention in centi, only 100. If you want to mention in millimeter, then it is 1000. Okay, that is all. Another one thing, if you want to measure the distance from your house to school, can you measure it in terms of centimeter, meter or millimeter, like that? No, because very lengthy one. ತುಂಬ ದೂರ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಒಂದು ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆಗೆ ನೀವು ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮೈಸೂರು ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಆರ್ ಸಮ್ ಅದರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್, So you can see the board there. Okay, the distance of long distances are measured in terms of kilometer. They are measured in terms of kilometer. Okay, you can write it in small way: centimeter, milliliter, meter. Then it is measured in terms of kilometer. Suppose if the distance between Mysore to Bangalore is 125 kilometer or 135 kilometer, then we measure in terms of kilometer. Then if you want to convert this kilometer into meter, again 1 kilometer is equal to 1 kilometer is equal to 100 meters, equals 100 meters. So 1 kilometer is 100 meters. Next, this is about the measuring of length. That is the long distance length. Okay. Now, if you go to purchase groceries, ಹೌದಾ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋಂಥ ಗ್ರಾಸರೀಸ್, ರೈಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ದಾಲ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಏನೇನಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಶುಗರ್ ಆರ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಬೈ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಸೇ, ಅಂಗಡಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ, ಏನಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಲೀಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಾ, ಅಥವಾ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತೀರಾ, ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅವಾಗ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, 2 kgs ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಕಿಲೋಗ್ರಾಮ್, ಕೆ ಜಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So all those groceries, some of them, okay, huge quantities, if you want to buy, we say that, so give me 10 kgs of rice or 5 kgs of wheat or 2 kgs of sugar, etc. So there we use kilogram. We use kilogram, or in short we say that it is kg. That is kg weighted. Next, suppose if you want to buy what is ilachi or ginger or something like chilies, okay, do you purchase in kgs? ಅಥವಾ ನೀವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು ಏಲಕ್ಕಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಲವಂಗ, ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಪೈಸಿ ಫುಡ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಡು ಯು ಬೈ in kgs? No, there we use another measurement. What is that measurement? Yes, it is in grams. Grams. Then what is the relationship between grams and kilogram? Yes, 1 kg is equal to 1 kilogram equals 1000 grams. So according to our convenient, and also depending upon the cost of that item, we take 500 grams, 250 grams or 200 grams like that. ತುಂಬ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು 1 kg ತೊಗೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು 50 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಬೋದು. ಗೋಡಂಬಿ, ದ್ರಾಕ್ಷಿ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಕಿಲೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಗಟ್ಟಲೆ ತೊಗೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್. ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ದುಡ್ಡಿದೆ ಅಥವಾ ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ವಿ take in terms of grams. So next, this is about the weight, alva, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು ಹೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಶಾಪಲ್ಲಿ? ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಶಾಪಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಗ್ರಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಅಥವಾ ಕೆ ಜಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಯಾವುದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಮಿಲಿಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್. ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತದು? It is in milligrams. ಸಿರಪ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೀರಲ್ವಾ? ಕಾಫ್ ಸಿರಪ್, ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿರಪ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಶಾಪಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೀರ, ಅಥವಾ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾಲ್ ಪೌಡರ್, ಈ ಥರ ಏನೇ ಹೋದರೂ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಶಾಪಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದಾಗ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ ಆರ್ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ milligram. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 gram equals 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. ತುಂಬ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸಿರಪ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ವಿ ಬೈ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಿಲಿಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್. ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ನ ನಾವು ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಡೋಸ್ ಇದರ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, ಮಿಲಿಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಆ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಸಿರಪ್ ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ ವಿ ಆಫ್ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ in terms of milligram. Okay, next one term, if you want to buy the water bottles, so can you see the measurements on that water bottles? Enirutte water bottle mele? Yes, it is in terms of liters, alva liters alli irutte. Athwa hal daily go and buy milk in Nandini booth, isn't it? ನೀವೆಲ್ಲೋ ಏನು ಇರ್ತೀರ, ಮಿಲಿಗ್ರಾಮ್, ಗ್ರಾಮ್, kg ಅಥವಾ ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ನಾವು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ 250 ಲೀಟರ್ಸ್, 500 ಲೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ, 1 ಲೀಟರ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಆ ಥರ ನಾವು ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಆರ್ ಕೆರೋಸಿನ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಈ ಥರ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಏನಿದೆ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಟರ್ಮ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ in liters, we purchase it in liters. And also hair oil, you use coconut oil, castor oil, isn't it? And also eating sunflower irbodu, ನೀವು ಏನೇನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ ಡೈಲಿ ಅಡುಗೆಗೆ ಹಾಕೋ ಆಯಿಲ್, ಆಲ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೆಷರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೀಟರ್ಸ್. ಅವುಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಲೀಟರಲ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ದೆನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ಸ್, ಏನೇನೋ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಲ್ಲಿ, ಥಮ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್, ಮಿರಿಂಡಾ, ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ, ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬಾಟಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಆನ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಬಾಟಲ್ಸ್ they are measured in terms of liters. Okay, according to your convenience you purchase that type of liquids in milliliters. So what is the difference between liter and milliliter? That is 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. 1000 milliliters. Okay, that is half liter means just you make it half, 500 milliliter. Suppose it is 1/4 liter, 250 milliliter. 3/4 liter ಅಥವಾ 1/4 ಲೀಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದನ್ನಾದರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ 750 milliliter. So all these are used to measure the distances, or we can say this as distances, length or distances. Okay, then gram, kilogram and all milligram, all are measured to buy your groceries like that. Then liters to measure, it is used to measure the liquids including water, milk, etc. So all these are measured. Okay, measuring units of different things. So this is a brief introduction given in your textbook, children. Okay, so I'll send this notes for you. Okay, don't write today's whatever I have written, don't write, I'll send in notes, that one you copy it, but you learn this always. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲನೂ ನೀವು ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. Okay, so just I'll give you one homework regarding this. Okay, write it in your homework book. By seeing this only you can write. Okay, first one, fill in your blanks. Okay, first one, 1 centimeter is equal to dash millimeter. Okay, next, 1 meter is equal to dash centimeter. Third, 1 kilometer is equal to dash meters. Fourth, 1 kg equals dash grams. Next, fifth, 1 liter equals dash milliliter. very big. Okay, so go through this. You can write to fill in the blanks. Okay, children. See you. Bye.